Today we're going to be removing our right passenger fender on our Dodge Charger. We had to take our bumper off because ours was cracked, but there's also 2 screws in the bumper that you have to get out in order to get to the fender well. So you'll have to undo this, which is your clips and your inner liner, all the way down here. Okay, and there's 2 screws for the fender. There's one right here, and there's one right here. Not to mention the 2 screws that are in the front that connect to the bumper. If you want to see a video of us taking the bumper off, click right here, and you'll be able to see how we take the bumper off of our Dodge Charger. These are 10mm screws right here and right here. There are also 2 more screws down here, underneath here. Once you pull this out, you can see that this comes loose, and there are 2 screws right here, 1 and 2. We're taking this whole piece of foam padding out so we can get to the 2 bolts that hold the inner fender to the door. This one and this one. So right here there were 2 clips, one here, that were holding the inner fender well. Was also holding this up. Take those clips out, and this pops down. You don't really have to remove it. Just have to get to your 2 bolts right here and unscrew those. You don't have to remove these bolts all the way. These 2 and these 2. Just enough so they slide out. So the panel slides out. The only two that you have to remove completely are the 2 inside the fender well, which we're going to get to next. We're just going to remove this little padding here. Just flip it up and start to unscrew our bolt. Got it. Now it's time to remove the panel. There you go. Now you get a better look at these 2 screws that are in here. It's this one and this one. And like I said earlier, you don't have to take them completely out, which will help you in reassembling the car. This is our replacement panel that we ordered online, and we will give you a link to order this online. Now that we've lined everything up and checked our clearance on our door, you can see it looks pretty tight. We'll start putting the screws back together. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make other fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.